Hi guys. So I have two totally different I've been trying to get like the best video angles, and I have one that's like right above and one that's to the side. I added some additional lighting, so right now it looks really good. So let's see. So I did this canvas. Let me get it. The other day. Hope you guys can see it, yeah. And I really loved how it came out. So I am going to do something else. That is gold, silvers, bronze, a bunch of different metallic colors. Today I'm going to think I want to do that, but I want to do it a little more in the rainbow colors. Now, I have a lot of colors here around my space because I'm just trying to finish up all of my colors that have silicone with them. So this is a Art Alternatives Classic Cotton 4x7 canvas. This is from Jerry's Artist Outlet, which is part of Jerry-Rama. I have put painter's tape on the back because I find that I like that the most. And just pull, especially a big one like this. I'm going to do the black background again because I really like that. And then I'm thinking, like, you know, maybe there's a chance these two can go together. And I'm just kind of doing the ends first, so hoping this kind of covers the sides. All right, let's swipe this out. Use my little spatula. I think it'll do the best job today. Well, that side's good. This and is good. That worked actually very well. Little spot here. Let's see what the back, almost completely in the back. All right. Okay. So some of this I am going to do lines on it. Just torch this for a sec because I can see a bunch of bubbles already. Oh, look. See, it went right down to the white. Gotta fix that. That's when you shake it. That's what happens, because you shake it and get some big bubbles in there. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's put gloves on because we're going to protect our hands, even though Lisa, that would be me, hates wearing gloves. I should just try my other stuff. All right, maybe I'll do that with the next one. Okay, so here we go. We are, ooh, I'm going to be reaching in front of you guys a lot. Let's get some sticks out over here. I don't want to do that once I start. All right, so I think I want teal. Shocker. Are any of you guys saying, oh, what? Teal? Yeah, if anybody's been following me, you pretty much know teal's it for me. Teal is pretty much on, at some level, every canvas. I love it. There's just something so pleasing about teal to me. So that's why I use it. Okay, so that I want my main strip. And then I think what I'm going to do is just do a little drops of other colors, because I'm gonna be blowing this out. So I just want to be able to, I don't want the colors to mix completely through it. I just want a little color. Like, I love this green, and I might just do a little on the end there, a little on the end. Oh, and I like the splatters that just happen. Those are happy splatters. I'm not going to use brown. I don't know why I took that out. I'm not going to use this dark green. I think my greens are good. Okay, so now let's do some of this beautiful pink. I did a little more than I was planning. I'm not going to do this color. I'm not going to do that color. I am going to do a red. Okay. Oh, that one. We'll see what we have to do with that one. That one might need to be fixed. And I say might because one other time I did that and actually loved it. So, all right. Let's do a purple. And this is a metallic purple too. Love the metallic. And of course, you know, I said I was going to do little drops, but I have like a lot of I must have done like a red series, so I have like a lot of red. Now what I really want, I don't want all those reds. I don't need that. I am going to put some white, but I do want some orange. Now this orange does not have silicone in it, but I think that's okay. That I think is okay. And now that I put that color actually kind of looks more like orange. So then let's do some yellow, because I don't have any yellow without silicone in it. All right. Last option, a little bit of white. Okay. All right, now the last time I didn't actually, so the very first one I did of these, which was a big white canvas with blues, I put extra paint on it because I was thinking that I was going to do some kind of Dutch pour, but I'm not going to do that here. We're going to start blowing. Because I want to get some of this fun stuff that's right up here blast out like that. Actually, maybe I'll just leave some of the spots because I don't want to lose any of that. And that little squiggly green line is off the side. And I totally have, oh God, the top view, you really can see it. Oh, yay, I'm so excited. I love this right here. Love how that just came out. I don't know, guys. Let me see if I just... I just wanted to dull down that pink spriol there. I am okay with this. I'm going to tilt it just to see what happens because I can always tilt it back. Just want to try to get it down. Just, ooh, it's doing exactly what I wanted to do. There. That's exactly what I wanted to do. You know, that really never happens when it works out. All right, I'm going to flip this around because I got to now blow out this big blob of black that just rolled. my goodness. Love that. Love that. Love that. Love that. Remember, guys, we haven't even torched it yet. Love. 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 Let me just try to do something little here. Remember with the straw, this is my Starbucks straw. I am going to get like a metal one because I want to be, oh, I probably have black literally all over my face. I want to be better to the environment, but you know, I'm reusing. All of my cups, I wash and reuse until I can't reuse them anymore. And so far so good. I haven't had a problem. I'm now using bottles, which yes, are plastic, but you could reuse them. They're made to use over and over again. So, you know, whatever we could do, we definitely waste a lot of stuff. So if you can reuse something like this is my water in my cup, in one of my cups that, actually my kids got at a party or something like that. So I actually I'm loving this so much. I think I might jump. I'm going to take my gloves off. Because, yeah. Let's torch it. See what happens. And I might do this on a large canvas. What am I doing? Oh, I hit the wrong button. There we go. Ooh. Okay, more cells are popping out. Not huge, just certain colors. So there might have been colors that I love that I had that like, you know, were older colors, but that didn't have any silicone in them. Who knows? I mean, I've been trying to find the right recipe for probably about a month. I've been doing this for a month now. So which recently I have found. I do 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol. Gosh, I love this. Love it. Love it. Can you guys see this? Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. This is crazy. I was thinking like more of the thin line down the middle with a little burst. I didn't really imagine this. This is really, really beautiful. Look at how cute that is. Can you see it? Here's another new piece.
One question. And what is that?
Love the explosion of color. Love it.